everyone. This is what we're painting today. So this is the number 3 of the florals that I had in my Nomad Deckle paper review, and the link is above to that review if you didn't see it. So today we're painting very loose florals. And I just want to point out here that I started each flower with these little dots. I don't usually start my florals this way, but I thought, you know, it's kind of a fun thing to do, especially if you want very light florals. And I just thought I would show you this method. It's an easy way to keep your petals centered. So if you find yourself painting and you kind of get your flowers lopsided when you don't really mean to, this is just an easy trick to keep your flowers in more of a circle type pattern. So I just thought I would show that to you. And as you see, you know, when I added the water, those little dots completely disappeared. And then I'll go back in and drop in some deeper pigment to, you know, draw out those colors more. But I just thought I would point that out. If you have trouble keeping your flowers kind of in a circle, that's an easy way to do it, because it just gives you that center focal point. So I hope you enjoy this one. This is a very easy one. It's very loose. There's no right or wrong way. Just really enjoy the process and add as much pigment or as much water as you want to get the intensity of the flowers that you want. Just don't forget that watercolors are going to dry lighter than they are when they're wet. So that's why you'll see me kind of go with the light hand at first, and then throughout the process as it's drying, I'll go back and I'll keep adding more and more color, just to keep those colors deeper. But, you know, just play with it, see what you think. And this paper I love. If you look at my review, you know, the other 2 flowers that I've shown you the full length version of, they're on a brown, kind of a caramel colored paper. But this is Nomad's white paper, and I really love it. It's very, very soft. It feels like a paper towel, you know, kind of a more firm paper towel, and it's lovely. I like it. So anyway, I will let you enjoy this without me talking, and I hope you're painting along with me. Well, that's it for this one. I hope you enjoyed it, and don't forget, tag me on Instagram using the hashtag paintingwithbila and let me see your version of this. See you next time.